How to add custom browser icon in your Squarespace website. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add custom browser icon or favicon in your Squarespace website. It's gonna be very easy. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to account dashboard. And then in this dashboard, you can choose the website. After that, you will be in this dashboard. So browser icon or favicon is this one. So when your customer type or visit your browser, they will see the browser icon here. So if you want to add it, I will show you how. So you can go to settings and then you can scroll and you will find favicon here. You can click it. Then you can add a favicon. So you can just click it to upload file from your computer, or you can select from your library if you want, it's up to you. I'm gonna upload my own favicon. Let's say this one, and then you can just click save and then go back here, and you can just refresh your site, and you will see this is my favicon. It's done. So you can, if you want to change it, if it's not, it's not good, you can just change it and repeat the process. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.